Hey everyone, this is Andrea, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do 8 super easy polka dot nail art designs using just a set of dotting tools. The set I'm using, along with all the nail polishes shown in the tutorial, will be in the description down below. So let's get to it! I'm starting all my manicures with a base coat to protect my nails. For the first design, I'm going to go in with 2 coats of a pastel yellow polish, but you can use any light polish for this. Then, I'm going to take my largest dotting tool and put large black dots all over the nail. When they dry, I'll take the same dotting tool and a white polish and draw dots on top of the black ones, but ever so slightly to the side. This will create a 3D effect on your nail and make your polka dot stand out. And that's it, all done! The second design is an opportunity to use a lot of colorful nail polishes and unleash your inner artist. I start with 2 coats of white and then take my largest dotting tool dipped in the first color. I draw dots down the center of my nail and then some smaller ones just to the side. I repeat the same process with the second color on the right side of my nail, using the small dots to blend the design together. I do the same on the left side to finish the design. To get the best out of this nail art, I recommend using polishes that blend well together to create a nice ombre effect. Number 3 is a dainty floral manicure, starting with a white base to make the polish I'm using opaque in 1 coat. I strongly recommend doing this when using pastel and neon polishes, which can be on the sheer side. To begin drawing flowers, make small, well-spaced dots on your nail. We will make them stand out later. For the petals, dip in any color you like and use the small end of your dotting tool to make dots all around your white centers. You can even make half flowers if your centers are too close to the edge of your nail. To finish the flowers, I take a yellow polish and go over the white centers. Next up is what I like to call polka dot ombre. It's super easy and very effective. I start, as always, with 2 coats of a base color polish. Then I'll go in with white to draw small dots concentrated around the bottom of my nail, putting only a couple in the middle and towards the tip. You can finish your design here, but for an extra effect, I like to add more color to some of these dots. For this design, I chose a pastel green and a yellow polish, which complement the base color. You can also use contrasting polishes or different sized dots to give this manicure your own twist. For manicure number 5, you can use a small piece of tape to help you draw a straight line. Not that it helped me, as you'll see in a second. I start with a coat of red and then remove the tape quickly before the polish dries. I use the second coat to make that line at the bottom straight and smooth. At the end, I'll add some large white dots. To make this nail art look clean and polished, make sure to place the second row of dots in the gaps of the first row and work your way up. For more of a challenge, try this design with your smallest dotting tool. The next one is a really cool optical illusion, and it's so easy. I start with 2 coats of a white polish and then take a black polish and use the side of the brush to cover just one side of my nail. Once this dries, I'll take my dotting tool and dip in the black polish, placing the dots along the intersection of the 2 colors. Make sure to leave enough space between the black dots, as we'll be drawing in these gaps afterwards. Then, I'll use the white polish to fill in these gaps on the other side, and the illusion just comes to life. If your manicure doesn't look perfect yet, don't worry, you can always touch up your dots to improve it. In the 7th design, I'll be using 2 different dotting tools. I start with this gorgeous blue polish, again in 2 coats, just to be sure. Then I'll use a medium-sized dotting tool to draw white dots all over my nail. You can make them evenly spaced out or completely random. When the polish dries, I'll dip into the base blue color with my smallest dotting tool and go over the white dots. Try to draw your blue dots right in the center of the white ones, leaving a nice white ring around them. This nail art just reminds me of bubbles and water, but feel free to use any colors you like. The last design is super easy and a really good way to ease yourself into wearing brighter colors. Start with 2 coats of a nude polish, or any cream polish that you're already comfortable wearing. Then, I'll be adding dots in 4 different bright colors. Use polishes that are opaque and easy to work with to prevent yourself from going over the same dot multiple times. Keep these the same size and in a straight line to make the manicure look neat and effortless. And that's it. Here are all the 8 finished designs topped with some fast dry top coat to tie in the looks. Let me know down in the comments below which one is your favorite and tag me in any pictures if you choose to recreate these. All the nail polishes I used in this tutorial will be in the description down below. For more tutorials and fun nail art designs, please subscribe down below and follow me on my social media accounts. Thanks for watching!